How to use one-click leverage with GT. Today, we'll show you how to leverage with just one click using gearing token, GT. What is GT? GT is an ERC-721 NFT that represents a leveraged borrowing position. It simplifies the process of entering leverage positions, removing the usual complexities. By purchasing a GT, you're effectively using leverage to amplify your returns from yield-bearing tokens. However, GT holders are exposed to liquidation risk. If your collateral value drops significantly, your position may be liquidated to cover the debt. Step 1. Select your trading pair. First, head to the leverage page and choose a trading pair. In this example, we're using PTUSDE 29 May 2025/USDT. What does purchasing GT on this pair mean? You're using USDT to purchase PTUSDE, which matures on May 29, 2025. Your PTUSDE acts as collateral to borrow more USDT. The borrowed USDT is used to buy additional PTSUSDE, repeating the process based on your selected leverage level. Step 2. Enter your position. In this example, initial investment equals to 100 USDT. Leverage 1.5x. Total collateral required 155 PTSUSDE. Debt incurred 50 USDT. APY after leverage 10.97%. Estimated net profit at maturity $2.08. Once you've reviewed the details, press Submit to confirm. You can now track your GT position in the dashboard. Step 3. Managing your position. First, adding collateral. If your position is close to liquidation, you can add collateral by clicking Add Collateral and enter the amount. More collateral improves your health factor, reducing liquidation risk. Second, removing collateral. If you have a strong position and want to withdraw collateral, you can click Remove Collateral and choose the amount. Be cautious because removing too much collateral increases liquidation risk. Third, repaying debt. You can repay your debt partially or in full. Full repayment automatically removes and returns your collateral. Debt repayment strengthens your position and reduces liquidation risk. 4. Redeeming your position. Redeeming closes the active position by selling all collateral to repay the debt. Any remaining assets are returned to you. In this case, a flash loan will be used to repay the USDT debt. Once the debt is fully repaid, the PTSUSDE collateral will be retrieved. The PTSUSDE will then be converted to USDT, which will be used to repay the flash loan, and any remaining balance will be returned to your wallet. It is strongly recommended to repay or redeem your position before the maturity date. If you do not redeem before expiry, your position will be liquidated automatically, and you will only receive the remaining collateral after liquidation. You're all set. Now you know how to leverage with one click using GT. Time to start earning and maximize your yield.